Here we have a Sharp Half Pint Microwave, which is for sale in my eBay store, Laura's Last Stitch. Let's see how this thing works. Here's a guide that shows how long to cook certain things. And here it's really easy to use. You just push, we'll cook this one for 1 minute. So you just push that. Then start. There it goes. It has a minute plus feature. If you decide you want to cook it longer, you can just push minute plus and that will add a minute to the time. I have over 700 things listed in my eBay store. You can find the link to my store in the upper right hand corner of the YouTube page. You can click more info to find that. I have lots of small appliances for sale. Most of them aren't made anymore. Okay, yep, it looks like it's steaming up the window of the camera, so this thing works. Thanks for watching.